Hi guys, this is 2011 Dodge Journey. So I'm going to replace for the transmission fluid. You can see in here is a dipstick. Here the transmission pan, you can see in here. So guys, here the filter of the transmission, and coming the sleeve bush to into here, and here the gasket. So I'm using Penrite oil, the full synthetic ATF-FS. It's alright. This is a multi-vehicle brand, Penrite. So okay, this is the filter. We're going to remove the 25 mm Torx bead. Okay, this is the rubber bush going to in here, the transmission filter. To install the transmission filter. So here the some gasket. Just going like this way. Put this elastic, the red color one. Install for the sump. We install the transmission filter. Okay, going to install the pan. So we tied all the bolts of the pan transmission. So we're using for the oil dipstick for the transmission. So I put in here mark, the black mark. There's a high level mark, and we off the transmission dipstick plug. And okay, this is the, we put the dipstick in here. You can, after that we check the levels. Okay, we're going to put the oil. So getting 5.2 liter transmission fluid. And check the oil level. Okay, change the gears and drive it a little bit. All good. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. See you in the next one.